Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Today, we are going to be talking about another carryover model from Harley-Davidson 2024 Tri Glide Ultra, coming in at $46,299 Canadian, compared to last year's model, $44,699, a difference of $1,600. Keep in mind, we don't have that pesky surcharge anymore, so the price difference is actually pretty tolerable at this point. I know that there's been some other models that have been a lot more money, and well, this one is pretty reasonable, so I don't think we have any complaints on prices here for this model. However, if you guys are interested in what trim options there are, maybe you're going to be happy to find this out, but there is chrome trim only. No black option, which, I mean, kind of makes sense because we do have some other models in the trike lineup which offer black trim, and so I think we've got all our bases covered, but maybe not. And if you guys don't agree with that, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys would like to see the Tri Glide Ultra with black trim as an option. Now, in terms of paint, we have Billiard Gray. This is now the new base color. This one doesn't cost you any extra money. However, one of the all-time favorites, Vivid Black, is going to cost you an additional $1,100. Keeping in mind that you are painting an entire bike, $1,100 is a steal of a deal. Now, moving over to one of my anticipated favorite colors for this year, Blue Burst. This one's going to cost you an additional $1,500 Canadian, and I'm not upset about it. I really, really like this color, and when I really like something, I will pretty much pay anything for it. Not entirely true, but anyway, two-tone paint options. Now, this is where things get a little bit spicy on the Tri Glide Ultra. Obviously, we have pinstriping subtly mixed in with the base colors of Billiard Gray, Vivid Black, and Blue Burst. However, now we're going to have Red Rock, which is a new color for this year as well, mixed with Vivid Black for $2,400. And this one looks really sharp. I love this color combination. The jury may still be out on whether or not Red Rock is going to be as rich as it looks to be online. I'm trying to be as patient as I possibly can because I cannot wait to see that color. The other ones, obviously, like Blue Burst, I am excited to see them, but I don't think those ones are going to let me down, whereas Red Rock, I don't know, it's constantly a different color depending on what bike you're looking at. Maybe it has something to do with the lighting for the photos on the website. I don't know, but I really want to see one of these things in person ASAP. Now, you can also get Alpine Green mixed with that Vivid Black for, again, $2,400 additional Canadian dollars, and this one looks just as nice. However, I think this one will be exactly what I think it's going to be, and it is definitely, well, yeah, I'm going to say it is, I would classify it as a rich green as well, but you never know. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but we have ABS, security and cruise control standard on this model, and again, because it's a carryover model, not a whole lot else to talk about, but I would like to hear from you guys. Leave some comments down below and let me know if you guys are interested in the Tri Glide Ultra for this year. And there's actually quite a few customers that I've seen come in on these models, and I would say, I mean, if you're looking for a new bike, this year has some really great offerings, and the price didn't go up all that much either. And trikes from what I've seen anyway, really hold their value. So if you guys are looking to trade up, this might be the year for you. You never know. But I want to hear a little bit of discussion down in the comments section. What do you guys like about this model? What don't you like about this model? And if you're someone who is transitioning from 2 wheels to 3 wheels, what are your reservations? What are you worried about the most when switching over to something like the Tri Glide Ultra? Leave some comments down below. Smash that like button so I know that it's working. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on the rest of the carryover models for the rest of this month, leading up to January 24th, where Harley is doing their big reveal on all the new models. And by the looks of things, they've kept everything under wraps, and there is a ton of information coming at us. Lots of new models and lots of changes. So I'm pretty excited for that, and we just have to remain patient. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.